Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to enable touch pointer on Samsung C55 5G device. Well, the touch pointer enhances the user experience by providing an additional input option for navigating the device interface. And also, enabling the touch pointer offers user a versatile and intuitive way to interact with the device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. To begin, access the settings menu on your device. Okay, and here please scroll down. So, select the About Phone option. And within the About Phone section, you can tap on Software Information. Then proceed to tap the build number 7 times. This action will enable developer options on your device. Once developer options are activated, scroll through the settings until you locate the Show Tabs option. And activate the Show Tabs feature by toggling it on. The settings will display screen taps on your device, providing visual feedback for touch interactions. Well, that's the tutorial on how to enable touch pointer on Samsung C55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.